Joseph, and I'm going to be using my sister Izzy as a target to prove my skill. I'll craft these out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Thank you guys. Okay, kinda gay. Hope you enjoyed my video, and
I got sideways on
I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Keep watching more. View, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day at Hershey Park.
Whoa.
Izzy, how'd that feel?
Hurtful. Painful.
Oh, guys, one of the bullets landed like this on the ground.
Cool.
The one that hit the back of
It might have been kissing. How long does that have to get up to, Joe's? 4:30?
4, yeah. Jack freeze.
Don't.
This is what happens in Sniper Assassin. You're about to kill someone, then the guy just goes like this. There's a gun up to your head. It's like...
It's messing up my hair.
Boom, headshot.
Don't shoot it.
Mission, kill a lesbian.
Killer.
Nope, I'm aiming.
My green is Irish with black.
Boom! Stuck.
Do cap blocks for G.
Jack, you want to make your writing bigger?
Yeah.
Right here. Click on the A, draw a shay. Click on the A and draw a shay. What the?
No. No.
Sniper Assassin 3 kill count. I should make a Sniper Assassin 5. Mission hit sister.
Don't.
Ready, Izzy?
Why is it? Don't if you do.
You want to be in the middle of the videos. This is how Sniper Assassin solves his ways.
Will you go?
Well, I have something good. It's gonna be how Sniper Assassin solves his problems. Like, Izzy, you're doing that, and then I come up. Hey, bitch.
I wish. Look.
Bitch.
Here, Jack, show him your thing. It's bad.
Yeah, I have to agree with that. Hey, bitch.
Ow.
Bitch.
You know, Mom can see this.
Yeah.
It's not recording this, Reagan.
Reagan, this isn't gonna be on YouTube. This part.
What?
Mommy's little tax break. Hey, bitch. Well, we might have done one like that. I would be like, hey, bitch. And shoot her in the head at close range. See, watch, I do it too. Joseph commits suicide for the first time.
How do you make it bigger?
I don't know. It's like being dumb. Must take after you because you're on.
We'll see the ceiling. I'm asking you real quick.
Izzy, it's 15 more seconds here. Watch out. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now.